Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the Dotmoovs token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to purchase the Dotmoovs token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on this channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you guys are interested in the crypto space, I really recommend subscribing to this channel as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, all we have to do for this tutorial is just head over to Trust Wallet. And once we're in our Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to buy or transfer Ethereum in this video, and I'm also not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet. If you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have two separate tutorials linked in the description as well as in the comment section down below if that is needed. Anyhow, once you have your Ethereum inside of your Trust Wallet here, all we have to do is add the contract address for the token inside of our Trust Wallet. So I'll have another link over to CoinMarketCap in the description for the contract address. So if you guys just head over there, you'll see the contract address right beside contracts, and all we have to do is click on that little copy button beside where it says Ethereum and then the contract address. So we just go ahead and click on the copy button and then head back over to Trust Wallet. Once you're back in Trust Wallet, we just have to go to the top right of the screen where we see the two lines and two circles. Click on that. Then you can just go ahead and paste in the search bar the contract address we got from CoinMarketCap. We'll then see the Dotmoovs token pop up here. So we can just go ahead and enable the token and then click on done. Once we do that, all we have to do is head over to Uniswap. So I'll show you guys what to do next once you're on the Uniswap, and the link will be in the description for that as well. So just head over there now. Once you guys are on Uniswap here, we just have to go to the top of the screen where we see the connect to a wallet button and click on that. And then we have to click on Wallet Connect. Once you click on Wallet Connect here, it's going to show you all the wallets that you can connect to. So feel free to connect to MetaMask or another wallet if you would like to. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Trust Wallet. So we're going to use Trust Wallet here. That's going to give us this notice saying that Uniswap is trying to connect to our wallet. So we just want to click on Connect for that. Then head back over to Uniswap. We'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet address up in the top corner of the screen, as well as our balance of Ethereum right here. So all we have to do now is add the Dotmoovs token to the swap here. So we're just going to click on Select a Token and paste that same address that we got from CoinMarketCap up in this top search right here. Once we do that, we'll see the Dotmoovs token pop up here. So we can click on Import and then Import. Once that is done, we just have to change our slippage tolerance. So we're just going to go beside where the settings gear is, beside swap. Click on that, and then we can just change our slippage tolerance right here. For this token, I would probably use about 5%. You could try using a little bit less if you would like to, but I would use 5% on this token to try to get the transaction to go through the first time to avoid paying more gas fees. But you could, like I said, you guys can try lower if you would like to. Just let me know down below if you get a lower slippage tolerance so I could tell other people in the pinned comment. Anyhow, you set your slippage tolerance right here, and then we have to decide how much of Ethereum that we want to transfer into the Dotmoovs token. So if we just say right now we want to transfer 0.2 Ethereum, will then tell us that there's no liquidity. We have to click here to trade with V2. So we're going to click on that button right here. Then it's going to show us the amount of the Dotmoovs token that we'll get in exchange for our Ethereum. Now, if you're happy with what you see here, you can click on the swap button where it says insufficient F balance for me. Once you guys click on the swap button, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your gas fees and things like that. So if you guys are happy with that, you can click on swap one more time, and then you'll get a successful transaction notice. Once you get that, you can exit out of here, go back into Trust Wallet, and then your Dotmoovs token should arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the Dotmoovs token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. This video did help you out. Be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.